G'day, this is Oz. Oh, nearly hit a kookaburra. G'day, this is Oz ADV rider out on a very wet Sunday. We had a lot of rain yesterday, just drizzly rain today. I was supposed to be leading the way today, but I'm just not sure of the area, so I don't want to lead us down any muddy tracks. So Phil's taken over, so thank you very much, Phil. He knows this area really well. So the plan is to stick to some nice easy gravel roads today. Yeah, we got off to a late start today, or debating whether to go or not. We're waiting to see what the weather's doing, but it looks like it's just going to be drizzling off and on all day, so the guys were still keen, so here we are. Oh. We've got two KTM 690s in front of me. There's two V-Stroms and a Honda CB500X. Good. Some of my very old abused V-Strom, and yeah, Brendan's on a nice shiny 2021 V-Strom. Very nice looking bike. He still has his DR 650, but yeah, once he got on the V-Strom, no going back. He's loving it. Tell you what, these gravel roads, when they're wet, are brilliant. Got more traction than when they're dry. You just got to watch out for those shiny patches where it's a bit slippery. This is nice predictable gravel though. It is magnificent through here. We're somewhere around Bunyip. Feels so wrong to crack the throttle before a corner, but it feels so great when you get it right. Whoa, nearly lost it. Some soft patches in that. But these KTM 690s are nice bikes. On the road with a pair of KTM 890s 2 weeks ago. They were really nice. Right, we're on Britannia. Let me just try that again. We're on Britannia Creek Road. I have ridden part of this up the other end of it, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like from this end. Funny, there was a lot of debate this morning whether we should go or not because the weather was questionable, but I'm glad we came. It's bloody awesome. Sometimes it's worth it getting out into a bit of rain. Light rain like this on gravel roads is perfect. No dust, plenty of grip. It's nice and cool as well. A lot of the last few rides have been very hot. There's a coming spur track off this road, which I've done a couple of times with Andy. I definitely wouldn't be doing that today. Hard enough without the rain. Righto. Well, that was all fun and games till I hit the mud. I am in neutral. Now I see. Oh. This mud, it's very slippery. God, that's slippery. I think I'm going to come out of it. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, I just hope I can find the others. Oh, that should clear me tyres a bit anyway. Whoops. Yeah, come off. It was alright till we hit that mud.
Took the challenge route.
Yeah, I saw you go that way. I thought that looks like fun. It was good till I hit the mud.
Yeah, it was slippery, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It surprised me too.
Going to attempt to ride this KDM 690. Check out this tyre. I want one. Oh my god. Holy shit, that's tall. Oh. Righto. Oh yeah. Oh, clutch is light. Grips are very skinny compared to mine. Whoa, shit! Yeah, all the commotion, I didn't even see which way they went. Oh, where's the pegs? In there. Oh god, it's skinny. Actually feels quite nice. Obviously I'm used to a low fat bike, so it takes a bit of getting used to being on a tall skinny one. Good thing about these kind of bikes, you can get right up front, get your weight over the front. Yeah, that's nice. Nice power delivery. Brakes feel pretty good. I'm having a bit of trouble with the rear brake just because the pedal's up higher than what I'm used to. I have enough trouble on my bike since I got the enduro boots. Front end feels so much more planted than mine, just in this gravel. Probably part of that's because you're sitting up so much closer to it. Adventure bikes, you tend to sit a lot more neutral. Your weight's towards the back, or towards the middle really. Oh wait, they've got some go. Even with that bald knobby, it bloody takes off. Very nice. Yeah, quite enjoyed that. Righto, I'm going to sign out here. My battery will go flat any second now. Big thanks to Phil for leading the way. Thanks a lot to the guys for still coming along and some bad weather. It's turned out to be a brilliant ride. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.